Hey guys, so today I got this Samsung curve monitor, 24-inch, because we all like things that are curvy. And I also got a wireless keyboard, a USB hub, and a HDMI. Because Mac, you need that kind of things, because that's not how they roll. I'll show you how it goes, and I'll also leave the link in the description. So let's see what's inside when we unbox it. It already came the HDMI. To realize it's quite good quality too. Look at this Samsung. Wait, let's go. Here we are. This is the final setup. So this is the one. It's called Samsung C24F390. I can't even say it. Can't even read properly. For the American people, it's for $120. So if you want to set up a home office like that as well, a office in your home or a computer desk, it cost me, for this chair it was like 105. The keyboard was like £20 and the monitor was 120 and the desk was like around 70. The hub, because you need that for the Mac, that was like 20. So altogether it was like 330. There's a slight curve to it. It's not that curvy, but it's quite. If you look from here, it's got quite curve. The only thing is that you can't raise it up and down a lot. That's the only thing negative I found, but it looks quite nice for the price of it. It's like it's fashion nowadays. It's really bright. It's like super bright. It's hurting my eyes, but I guess the brightness can be adjustable. I mean, the good thing would have been if you had speakers. I know there's a aux output at the back of the monitor, but if you had inbuilt speakers, that would have been good. I'm using this Logitech keyboard, wireless keyboard. It's actually for Windows, but as in you can still use it. I need to figure out how to map these hotkeys. But I noticed these speakers, volume ones, they work. Other than that, it's alright. It's like a standard. It's better than, I would say, the Mac keyboard, and it also makes that noise, the satisfying noise. Also this desk, I like the color of it. From Amazon, it's an Amazon brand. It matches with the flooring. I'm happy with the end setup. What do you guys think? Leave in the comments below. Leave in the comments below. Leave in the comments below. Also, I really like this chair, to be honest. They're mad. You know, it looks like one of those expensive car seats or racing cars, or those Audi A5, S5, one of those, or AMG, one of those. And that's it. I'll wrap it up here. Cool. Peace.